Donald Trump just received some very concerning news from the judge at his New York criminal hush money trial. The judge may not allow him to go to his son Barron's high school graduation. When asked about it, the judge, Mershon, said that he is non-committal on letting him go and that it depends on time and where they are at in the trial. He also stated that if Trump plays hooky and doesn't attend the trial for Barron's graduation, he will be arrested and jailed. Donald Trump was not too happy about this, rightfully so, and ranted about it in the hallway during break in the trial. Here's what he had to say.
You know, my son is graduating from high school, and it looks like the judge will not let me go to the graduation of my son, who's worked very, very hard. He's a great student. He's very proud of the fact that he did so well, and was looking forward for years to have graduation with his mother and father there. And it looks like the judge isn't going to allow me to escape this scam. It's a scam trial. If you read all of the legal pundits, all of the legal scholars today, there's not one that I see that said this is a case that should be brought or tried. It's a scam. It's a political witch hunt. It continues, and it continues forever. And we're not going to be given a fair trial. It's a very, very sad thing. In addition, as you know, next Thursday, we're before the United States Supreme Court on a very big hearing on immunity. And this is something that we've been waiting for a long time. And the judge, of course, is not going to allow us. He's a very conflicted judge, and he's not going to allow us to go to that. He won't allow me to leave here for a half a day, go to D.C. and go before the United States Supreme Court because he thinks he's superior, I guess, to the Supreme Court. We got a real problem with this judge. We have a real problem with a lot of things having to do with this trial, including the DA, because you go right outside and people are being mugged and killed all day long, and he's sitting here all day with about 10 or 12 prosecutors over nothing, over what people say shouldn't be a trial. So I just want to thank you very much, but that I can't go to my son's graduation, or that I can't go to the United States Supreme Court, that I'm not in Georgia or Florida or North Carolina campaigning like I should be. It's perfect for the radical left Democrats. That's exactly what they want. This is about election interference. That's all it's about. Thank you very much.
Obviously, as a loving parent who has watched his son grow and blossom and work hard in school and life, he is angry that he will possibly miss out on his son's graduation, one of the most important moments in his son's young life. This is a very unique situation, and a situation which is messed up if you think about it. If you are the opposition political leader in the United States and you are not a Democrat, you can be put on trial for everything under the sun and taken away from your family at its most important moments. This is not a good precedent to set, a precedent that will change the course of history. Is it okay to treat the opposition party badly? It shouldn't be okay, because you are not always the opposition party. When power shifts, the former opposition remembers what the party in control did to it, and there is no telling what they may do as retribution to make things right for what unfairly happened to them. I'm not saying this should happen or that it will happen. I'm just saying that it has happened many times in the history of the world, where the oppressors become the oppressed because power shifts. We should be wary of this and treat everyone with dignity and respect. Treat people as we would like to be treated, the golden rule. And in the United States, we should decide elections by voting and not by the partisan political games that are going on today with Donald Trump and these trials that he is facing. At this moment in American history, it is important to remember, if you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. The Democrats are playing a stupid game, which very well may be the reason Donald Trump gets elected again. That's just my 2 cents, and you are entitled to your 2 cents. If you want, share your opinion in the comments below, as all viewpoints are welcome. If you enjoyed this informational and educational video, then give the video a like and turn on my channel notifications so that you'll be notified the next time I release a new video. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and God bless America.